Okay, welcome back to Worthington Model Railway, and today I'm up in the railway loft, and you can see behind me a Halt Station that I've been building. So this is the MMR 3D laser kit ST01 Halt type station, and as you can see, it's laser cut card. It goes together pretty easily. This is kind of what it's supposed to look like when it's done. So this is the base section, and these just press in here, and then these are the platform tops, which will then glue onto here to create the platform component. Yeah, and then I just glued the fence on the back, so it's fairly simple to put together. So I've laid this out where I think it wants to go. I'm trying to decide whether to add a second little hut here or just leave it. I might leave it for the moment. There is one in the kit. I also got a footbridge kit, but now I'm looking at things, I realize there's a couple of issues with the footbridge. One is the height. So it's got to go platform to platform, and it's going to be way too big. So I'm going to have to cut that middle section out to get it the right size to go platform to platform. The other option is that I put the platform over here and do footbridge kind of like that, but that kind of just looks a bit weird to me and doesn't really make a lot of sense. I'm going to think this through a little bit in terms of what I'm going to do. In the meantime, I do need to get some paint underneath here and color that. I'll get that side all stuck down once I've got that in place, and we'll see where we go from there. So the Halt is in place. Question is whether or not I need to paint it. I'm going to think that through. I think it looks pretty good actually as it is, but maybe I need to do some painting. We'll see.
Quick little video today. I think that Halt looks quite effective and certainly very easy to put together. Let me know your thoughts on whether I should add some paint to it or whether just to leave it weathered like that. I obviously have to put some landscaping around it, which I will get done in the next few days. As always, please like and subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed, button to the top right, and there's another video to the top left.